Is it good? Then if it's good, then we forward it to the people. This movie we are shooting, we already shot it, but we are just finalizing. Last time we used this position, that's why we are repeating. So we shall beg you your places, we shall support you. Anything that needs to be eaten, if it's a restaurant, we shall eat from there. If it is shaving hair, we shall shave from here, and then all will be well. Opa, after Marbe standing by, because this is money, okay? I've used the money to bring these people here. So if you are laughing, then we are repeating, and then they overcharging me, with a pig yes. Thank you so much. There is a scene we're going to hand off from here, and as we are starting, let's allow the director only to speak. In this movie, I'm also an actor, not a director. Yalamanoi, I Charity Uganda Limited. Director, it's your time.
Yes. We are figuring out the issue with this one.
Oh, you figure.